Hey guys, my name is Karina Neff and I am the Altus architect. But what is Altus? Everyone's asking. Altus is a Latin word. It stands for high, deep, and noble. This word has really anchored everything that we're doing. We're engaging with intention, we're empowering with education, and we are elevating with influence. We have two main vehicles that push this collective forward. This collective was built by BSCs for BSCs. And with the forum that's done every single month, you have a hybrid of not just learning, but peer groups. These principals or subject matter experts from the industry are driving operations, HR, finance, strategy, sales and marketing, and tech. These principals come into the forum every single month. They present their topic, and then we break out into peer groups. That hybrid approach changes the game, and that's how it helps you scale. So do not miss your chance to be a part of Altus Forum.